I'm going to transfer my Rekordbox library from my laptop to my Rekordbox on my desktop. For that, I need this bad boy, a USB drive that has enough storage to store all your music and then some for the library itself. To make sure that everything works correctly, make sure that the version of Rekordbox on your new computer is the same as on your old computer. In this case, I have no choice because of my controller. So for this demo, I'm going to transfer from Rekordbox 6 to Rekordbox 7. To update Rekordbox, go to Help, then go to Rekordbox Update Manager, and then it prompts you to update Rekordbox or not. In this case, it prompts me to update, so I click on Start. Now it says closing Rekordbox. In the user account control window, click on Yes, this allows Rekordbox to install itself on your computer. Now wait for the download to finish. It's almost like watching paint dry. Now we have to go through the installation procedure. So I click on I agree. I click on Next. Then it wants to know the installation directory. The default is OK. So I click OK. And now it's going to install the new version on your computer. OK, it was installed. So now I click on Finish. It asks if you want to uninstall Rekordbox and start Rekordbox. I want to do both, so I click OK. Now we're going through the uninstall procedure, so I'm going to click on uninstall. And now it says that Rekordbox was successfully removed from my computer. So I click OK, and now it automatically starts the new version of Rekordbox. Make sure to go through this procedure on both computers. So I'm going to insert my USB drive. Then in Rekordbox itself, I'm going to click on File. Then I go to Library. And then I click on Backup Library. It warns me that this operation may require a long time. Okay. Do you like to backup your music files as well? I would say no, and the reason for that is there is a bug in Rekordbox 6 and 7 that it doesn't include the music, so you need to backup it just as well. And on top of that, it takes a tremendous amount of time, which isn't necessary. So I'm going to click on No. Now I'm going to select my USB drive, which is in my case called Test, and I'm going to click on Save. This process can take 10, 20, 40 minutes, so be patient. Okay, now it says collection was backed up. We click on OK. We're almost there because we now only copied the library itself, so the information about all your music, but we didn't copy the music itself. So we're now going to copy the music. Therefore, I click on Windows E. I'm not sure what the Apple shortcut is, sorry, but you need to open Finder on Apple. Now we're going to browse for our music, and in my case it's in the music folder, and it's in my DJ music folder. Now I'm going to copy all the files from that directory. So in the folder I can say Ctrl A to select them all, but in my case I only want to select a couple for this demo, and I right mouse click on those files and I click on Copy. Now I navigate to the USB drive, and on the USB drive I'm going to create a folder. I call that music. And I'm going to paste the music in that folder. So I'm going to click over here, paste. Now the copying has finished. Make sure that Rekordbox is closed, otherwise you can't eject your drive. And then eject your USB drive safely. And now I can pull my USB drive from my computer, and I'm going to insert it in my new computer. But before I continue, if you still struggle with Rekordbox or want to know more about Rekordbox, you might want to check out my video training about Rekordbox. I'll take you step by step by the hand through the whole program. The link is in the video description. I don't do shady sponsorships, but I do sell my course, so if you want to help the channel out, this is the way to do it. Now, this is the screen of my new computer. I've opened Explorer. I navigate to my USB drive on the left over here, and then I can see the contents of my USB drive. You see the music folder here that we put on it with my music, and over here we have the backup file of Rekordbox. Let's start with copying our music. So I'll open the music folder. I'll select all the files in the music folder. I copy them, copy. I navigate to the folder where I want to put my music in on my new computer. That's music. I create a new folder by right-clicking, new folder, music from old computer. I open that folder by double-clicking, and then I paste the music. So I right-click and I click on paste. Now open Rekordbox if you haven't opened Rekordbox already. Now this Rekordbox is completely empty. We haven't imported anything yet. Let's click on File, then click on Library, and then click on Restore Library. It warns you that this overrides the current music if you have anything, and with anything I mean music. If you have any music in Rekordbox, it will override that. I'll click OK. And now I navigate to my USB drive, which is called test. And I click on this backup file. Probably the number that you have over here is different because that is the date, but it should start with Rekordbox and BAK. If you've selected the file, then click on open. Now it gives you a scary warning that it may cause export problems. I say OK. And now it starts to restore your library on the new computer. This may take a second or 3000 seconds. Rekord says it's finished and we only can click OK, so let's do that. And now you might think it will restart automatically, but that's not the case. You have to restart Rekordbox manually. Record. Now you will notice that nothing will play, and that's because Rekordbox can't find your music yet, because we have copied it, but we haven't pointed Rekordbox to the right storage location. So let's fix that by clicking on File and then click on Display All Missing Files. Now it will give us a list of all the files that are missing from Rekordbox. The easiest way is to click on Auto Relocate. Now it's going to scan your computer and try to find all the missing files. The files it still can't find are displayed over here, but there are a lot of tracks that are being found. And the reason that I have such a big list is because I didn't copy my whole library. If Rekordbox can't find the right files, you need to click on that file and click on Relocate and find the location of that music file manually. In my case, I click Cancel, I say OK, because there are a couple of files that are found. I hope so at least. Yes, indeed, because this is a file that was on my USB drive, Axwell, Ingrosso, Barricade, which I copied to my hard drive. And over here is Axwell with Barricade. And I can drag it to the player.